What's up, YouTube? Got this 10 hooked up, truck box, to 101, to L510. Got the Auto-Tech amp, ground, zero gauge. It's like spaghetti back here. It was all rushed together. I was in a rush. The ports behind there, I don't know if you can see that. Down there. That DD mid is getting fucked. But yeah, guys, let me just show you what's up. This is a higher pitched song, higher tone, so. Check that out.
Kona call it Kona. Sitting up on the block, have hard head. Speak, let's fill the chat. Remember me? It won't be. It's a life of won't be bright to my niggas.
Yeah, guys, that voltage was at idle, and this amp's wired at 2 ohm, O-scoped, probably around 1,000 watts, something like that. Never clamped it. But yeah, guys, the higher notes, this truck just sounds like shit. The back window rattles a lot, but it's just a little vid, so what's up? I'll make some better ones.